Okay, it's not easy for some of them to share in front of public of their journey. Yeah, thank you everybody. You're so supportive. Alright. Okay, let us welcome our very first person, Angeline. Angeline was our first runner-up in our season 89. She couldn't be able to share with us back then. However, this time we got an honor to invite her to share her amazing story with us. Angeline, are you on call?
Yes.
Hello! Thank you so much for sharing your amazing story with us. I heard from Michelle, right? You're very shy, so it takes you a lot of courage, to share with us and step up and share with us. So tell me more, like how you get to know our 10-day and Soul program.
Okay, actually, I start this journey when I comes to know my friend Lillian. I think she's in today. In fact, I saw she has a very amazing transformation. And I was also invited to join the Together We Rise charity Pilates class, but I was not well then because I always used to be, popping Panadols like Mentos, So therefore, subsequently, I was being arranged to meet up with our coach Michelle and Wai Links for health evaluations. So from that time, I get to know that my body was not well, you see. And I start my journey on 21st of June this year.
Are you feeling a lot better now?
So right now, I'm very healthy. And I don't have to, pop, depends on the Panadol already, very well. And I don't have my knee pain, joint pain, and I have the strength to do my core exercise.
Amazing, everybody!
Especially band class.
Especially Ben or Benny?
Benny. Short form.
Oh my God, Benny's class, that one is hardcore, and you can do it. Yeah. I can feel you. So what would you like to what would you like to say to everybody that is trying to make the first step to change? Like, what would you like to motivate those that are on the call right now?
Okay, for those that are mommy or career person here, okay, do not give up, because in this program, okay, actually it's a journey to help ourselves to be more nutrients, okay, whereby 80% is based on our daily nutrients meal and 20% on the exercise, and foremost is our mental mindset 100%, whereby we can change our lifestyles on the resting, water intake. Yeah, thank you.
I'm so proud of you. And then, is this your first time sharing in public with everybody?
Yes.
Wow, you're doing really well. Awesome. So, would you continue to inspire and share with more people on how you feel, and also motivate more people to really take care of yourself and also practice self-care?
Yes, I will, because it's a very good journey with the Blessed Lifestyle Hubs, okay, whereby foremost our coach like Michelle and Wai Ling, okay, they supervise me and encouraging and also review my meal plans.
So this is all your amazing meals, right? And you've been really consistent on the workout, exercise, and also attending our lifestyle hub, and all the meals over here is so colorful. I can see everything is on point. This is a very, very, very good student. Yeah, you got very, very good coach. And then from here, June to September, how many kilos in total have you lost? Do you remember?
Okay, I have completed 6 seasons lean and tone programs. So now I'm at the season 7. So I started off at 76.9 kg. And now I'm at 64.9. So I lost about 12 kg. So I'm targeting 50 kgs.
Unbelievable, amazing. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Does everybody feel that Angeline has done an amazing, amazing job? If yes, your time. 8. Yeah. Wow, people give you double 8, triple 8. Amazing. Thank you so much, Angeline. Thank you so
Thank
much
you,
for sharing
Mary.
us. Continue to inspire more people, continue to take care of your health. And I think health is the most important thing. And I'm so happy that now you're pain-free, right? And then also you're no longer taking like Panadols or painkillers. And you're starting to continue living your lifestyle and feeling good about yourself. Yeah. Congratulations, Angeline.
Thank you.
Yay! Awesome.